Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Google Play Store error code, OR-REH-04. The error reads, "Your transaction cannot be completed. Please contact us." As per our research, the error comes when users try to make an in-app purchase. The payment screen loads for a few moments, but then fails with this error. Some users also face this issue while trying to purchase through Google Pay or YouTube. According to our research, the error is likely related to payment processing issues. It may occur because of VPN use, cache issues, browser conflicts, or a temporary block from Google's payment system. First, restart your device and then try the purchase again. If the error still comes and you are using a VPN, disable it and try again. If the issue continues, try using another browser. Some users have shared that using Microsoft Edge helped them bypass the error. So give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then try making the purchase using a different payment method and check if it works. If you still get the error, then force stop the Play Store app and clear its cache and data. Then reopen the app and try again. If none of these steps work, wait for 2 days and try making the payment again. At last, if the error still appears, go to support.google.com/googlepay/gethelp and contact Google support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.